A very happy morning to one and all. I am Laksh Tripathi, the captain of INTACH Club. The INTACH Club deals with topics related to culture and heritage and ways to preserve the same. The INTACH Club was founded in the year 1984. The motto of our club is to preserve and protect the lost and dying cultures of our society. The need of the hour is to work in an efficient and sustainable manner for the same. Sustainable development and is the peace policy of the future, and we the students of INTACH Club are here to present our club assembly on the topic Sustainable Goals 11 and 15, that is Sustainable Cities and Communities and Life on Land. What are sustainable goals and why are they so important? Sustainable Development Goals, also known as Global Goals, were adopted by the UN in 2015 as a universal call and action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030, all people enjoy peace and prosperity.
The 17 Sustainable Development Goals are integrated. They recognize that the action in one area will affect the outcomes in others, and that the development must balance social, economic, and environmental sustainability.
Making cities sustainable means creating career and business opportunities, safe and affordable housing, and building resilient societies and economies. This involves investment in public transport and creating green public spaces and management in participatory and inclusive ways.
3 foreign tourists who are on a tour to India land in Delhi. They plan to visit the best tourist places in India that are historically renowned. They approach a travel agency which gives them the best tourist guide to inform, direct and advise the tourists before and during their journey. This tour guide is good at guiding the travelers in the language of their choice and is qualified to guide the tourists throughout India. All of them visit Mysore, Indore, Agartala and Surat together.
I would like to go to a city which is home to Devaraja market filled with spices, silk and sandalwood.
Oh, you mean a city in the southern part of the state of Karnataka? Is it Mysuru or Mysore? The city with the famous Maharaja Palace? Yes, the palace is located in the center of the city, facing the Chamundi Hills eastward. The city is also known as the City of Palaces because there are 7 palaces including this one. However, Mysore Palace specifically refers to this one within the old fort. The current structure was constructed between 1897 and 1912 after the old palace was burned down. In Mysore, one of the best solid waste management practices are followed, pushing its position in the Swachh race. In Mysore, around 400 to 450 tons of solid wastes are produced and half of it is recycled into compost. Gentlemen, which is the city in West Central India that is known for its 7-story Rajwada Palace, the Lal Bagh Palace, the industrial capital of India, as well as the largest city in Madhya Pradesh? Yes, it is Indore. It is the only city in India that has IIM and IIT and is also known as Mini Mumbai.
Oh great! I've also heard that Indore is famous for great street food, parks and temples.
Correctly heard, gentlemen. Indore has prospered into being the 4th largest cotton textile industry in India. The night market at Sarafa Bazaar sells delicious street food and the Jain temple Kanch Mandir has a mirrored mosaic interior. Really magnificent.
इंदौर शहर का क्या कहना, सफाई है इसका गहना, बार बार सुर्खियों में छाता है, हर बार स्वच्छता में नंबर 1 बन जाता है। जब हम सोते हैं आराम से, लगे रहते हैं नगर निगम के कर्मचारी काम में।
नंबर 1 क्लीन सिटी का खिताब पाया है, पूरे देश में एक अलग नाम कमाया है। अगर वर्ल्ड मैप पर स्वच्छता का परचम है लहराना, तो इंदौर सिटी के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को पड़ेगा अपनाना।
a lot about cities. Now let me ask you, which city is popularly known as the Diamond City of the world?
It's Surat, and it was considered as the main trading center during British.
Before 1994, Surat was considered one of the dirtiest cities in India. But in 1994, Surat faced a plague scare which killed several people and more than 30,000 people deserted the city. The Municipal Corporation of Surat decided to completely clean the city. In present times, Surat continues to be one of the cleanest cities in India.
But I would like to visit a city with a fine blend of royal heritage, rich culture and tradition, and nature's friendliness. Can you help me, my dear guide?
Well then, you must visit Agartala. Nestled on the banks of River Haura is the laid-back city of Agartala. Agartala was the land of mighty rulers long ago. It is known for its stunning lakes, pristine forests, several beautiful temples, beautiful valleys and roaring waterfalls. The rich flora and fauna and the vibrant handloom bazaar make it a perfect holiday destination. In 2013, all vehicles in Agartala switched to compressed natural gas. CNG or compressed natural gas is safe to use and is very economical as well. Also, citizens use piped natural gas as fuel for their kitchens.
has to be sustainable. It has to be clean and green with right infrastructure for its citizens to lead a safe, healthy and comfortable life with a lot of opportunities to work.